Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this is a 59th vlog today, and this is evening, and I didn't shoot from morning because we had online classes from today. From today we have online classes till 1 week, and tomorrow we have the lab, so we have to go to college tomorrow. Don't know they made two groups like morning and afternoon, and I don't know till now which time group I belong to, like a morning or evening section. We should see. I should see now. See now. Sorry. Then I went to ride today. I broke my old cycling record, daily ride record, by 6 minutes. What is that record means? Like I do daily cycling, right? Till now my current record of 30 kilometer, completing 30 kilometer was 1 hour. But today I completed 30 kilometer. Sorry, my old record was 1 hour 4 minutes. Today I broke my old record by 6 minutes. This was very precious moment for me, because today it was I didn't think about making any record or breaking my old record. Today like I was wanted to ride 30 minimum, make 30 kilometer today, but I made 34 kilometer. It was very fast today. I ride very fast with very full motive today. I made my full effort to do today's ride. Sorry, my English is today a little bit going. It's not perfect because many days I was doing vlogs in Tulu. Many told like you do vlogs in Tulu, so I started again to speak in English. Sorry. And today I posted around 4 to 5 videos of cycle services, because it was pending from many days back. I shooted it and kept, but I didn't had time to voice over. So I done voiceover for all videos, and I have posted some videos. I didn't put thumbnails. I'll put now, and also many videos are pending for put end screen and end screen, and description also I didn't write for many vlogs and videos. I'll write it today, and I have to write some observations because tomorrow I have lab, right? So so I'm feeling very happy today too, because I broke my old record. So and many people don't watch my vlogs, but some watch my daily vlogs because they want to see me daily. Yeah, so they watch my daily vlog. So because I am saying like this because I saw my YouTube studio. There it's showing like only 1.5 minute people watch my vlogs. My vlogs are around 10 minutes, but people watch only 1 minute video and skip. I think they come to see me, so they just see me and go, like that I think. Then what to tell, guys? Today it was very good day. Evening it becomes dark fast nowadays, because days has become little shorter now, and it becomes dark early. So when I go cycling, it will be dark already, because nowadays I am going little late cycling, because at 5:45, because I will be doing something, or I'll rest more nowadays. And today it was like morning from 9 to 12. It was online classes. Then in the middle of that also I was doing editing and all. Once my mic got on, and ma'am told like, can you switch off your mic? She didn't tell anything because she know already. Many people will not not just join the session, and they will be doing their own work. She knows that. So she just told like, switch off your mic. Yeah, that was it, guys. Then what to talk today now. I'm very happy that today is 59th vlog. Tomorrow it will be 60th vlog, and soon after 40 vlogs we'll be finishing our first century. We're completing our century of vlogs. It will be a very happy moment. 50th vlog I couldn't make anything special because there was no time, and next day there was like college was started, so I couldn't make any special video or something. I'll be making something definitely on 100 our century vlog, 100th our 100th, sorry, first century vlog, sorry, 100th vlog it's coming. Our 100 vlogs, when we complete our 100 vlogs, definitely. So then please comment below that how is my English. Should I continue, or I should talk in Tulu only? If you suggest anything, I'll make changes. Like if you want me to talk in like English only, I'll continue in this only. But many will not like, because many people who see my vlogs because they like my Tulu speaking, and I look nice when I speak Tulu. But some people told like, you speaking English, bro, your face looks like when you speak English it will look nice. So I told yesterday only in my vlogs that from tomorrow it will be English vlogs for some days. Only for 4 days I will try. I'll see the output, like how many views will come. We'll be seeing that. Then we will make in vlog and continue in vlogs in Tulu or Kannada. Sorry, not Kannada, Tulu or English. Kannada will not make, guys, because many people don't like Kannada vlogs of mine, because my Kannada is not that good. It's good, but many people don't like me speaking Kannada, I think. No one suggested that. Many people suggest like either you talk in Tulu or either you talk in English. So I'm talking in English today to see the output or result, how it will be if I speak in English. That is it, guys. Then I told that I broke my old record of 30 kilometer, but it just has begun, guys, because now it's only a freewheel on my cycle that has a 14 teeth on its highest gear ratio. But later I will be installing my new cassette, which I showed in my one of shorts video. You can check it out on my channel. If I install that, I can reach up to speed of I think 65 to 70, I guess, on straight road. I don't know, 65 I can definitely reach, 70 I don't know. I'll definitely reach 65 or 60 definitely, I will tell that. And climbing it will be very easy with that 34 teeth. So I can next make the record of 55 minutes, I think. We'll see what will happen. That's the thing. I'm very happy. I want to make like I want to become fastest MTB rider in Mangalore. I'm not keeping me up. Just want to make a record like like if you born on this earth, no, you should make a record and die. Otherwise you are nothing. You are a normal human being. No one will remember you after you die. You should do something for this earth or your namesake, to make your name here, and then only you should leave this earth, so that everyone can remember you after you die. Yeah. My thinking is that, guys, how everyone thinks I don't know. Everyone, all of us think differently. So my thinking is this. I tell, really I am telling, this is not a joke. I always think about something. I will be doing something. Studies I am not that much good, guys. I say frankly, because studies from before I was good till 8th standard. Then I started falling down from my studies little bit, because my mind was always diverting to about science things more. Like I was always busy with batteries, wires, and etc. And then I started in PUC. I think before PUC or in the PUC, I was going to athletic practice in 10th, I think 10th or 9th, in holidays and all. Not holidays, while classes were going on, I was busy in like athletics, practicing in the ground, and not studying that much. I was concentrating on sports that time. Now I am concentrating more on cycling. So I'll be always diverted to something. That's it, guys. This was it for this vlog. I'll be talking more about other things and doing daily vlogs daily. We'll be reaching 365 days, 365 vlogs record definitely. This is it, guys, for this vlog. we'll be speaking more about other things, etc. in the next vlog. Bye. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye.